Well, tonight we're going to be doing something we somewhat normally don't do, and that is a comparison of your cheap LED Amazon lights and your more expensive bright white lights by an actual name brand company. The reason why we're doing this is because I've had a heck of a time trying to get brighter light bulbs in the old Sunfire Bird. And, you know, yep, it's nighttime. So I think it would be a real good time to test them out. And I just happen to have both bulbs because, you know, I've been chasing one to get the other and just trying to get more goodness and all that good stuff. Just trying to find a nice bright light. So maybe I don't have to take off my headlight covers, because I don't want to take off my headlight covers. I think they look cool in there. I mean, you know, I'm just saying. I take them on and off all the time, but I'm just trying to save some time and possible paint scratches, you know. But anyway, I'll let you guys know what brands they are, where you can get them or where you don't get them, one of the two, and roughly how much they cost. Like I say, the one is a old Amazonian special, pretty cheap, really. I mean, and the other one is you get at your local parts store. They ain't so cheap. So stick around, we'll go do a test and we'll be right back. Well, it's a dark night here at Right Turn Garage TV, and we got the Sunfire Bird. Sorry it's really dark. I think it's best to do this at night to show you something. I bought cheap LEDs off of the Amazonian site, and then I brought these other lights that are 80 bucks. These are the $80 lights. These are the Amazonian LEDs. The ones that you're looking at currently are called the ZX3 Sylvanias. So, that's widely like not what I thought. I thought for sure that the LEDs was cheapy Asian type, not gooder ones. But it turns out they are actually brighter than the $80 Sullivans. So that's proof, and the proof is in the pudding, as I've heard it said before. Give me a few seconds and we'll wrap up this video, and I'll show you what brand the other ones are. All right. Well, so that now you can see me. I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing for you, but anyway, these are the bulbs, and these are their gold ones. This is like right next door, high-end white, and they're a halogen. I mean, these were not cheap in the least bit. These were 80 bucks, and they didn't hold a candle to these that I think were 40. And these are called Nordlighter. And these were Amazonian special LEDs. I'm serious, I think I paid 40 bucks for these. I did it as well, these lights kind of suck in this car, so I want to get something brighter in it. I'm actually going to take these back and tell them what crap they are, because that's terrible. 80 bucks for these. So another FYI, don't waste your money on expensive bright white bulbs from your local parts stores. And the LEDs, one of the guys that works there informed me that they actually sell a cheaper LED than what they do in the headlight section. It's in their little not fast, just furious section. The brand is Type S. If you know where all that Type S stuff is, like the chrome dragon on the steering wheel stuff and NOS stickers and, you know, all that 5 horsepower stickers and gas pedal stuff that just, you know, adds value and class to your ride. It's there with that stuff. So go and check that out. Now those ones are not Type S. Those ones you actually see how much brighter they really are versus the $80 ones. So wish me luck. Hopefully, you know, we can get some restitution out of that. And, you know, lesson learned. We won't buy those ones anymore. So this was just a real quick, to the point, kind of informational. Don't waste your money on this. Waste your money on this one. Or save your money on this one. Yeah, save your money. That brand there, I mean, it's kind of tried and true then. They're pretty bright. But lesson learned on my end on that. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. And, you know, if you don't mind, this is a real short video, I know, but hopefully it helps one of you. Just real quick down somewhere, hit the old subscribe and like button. If you got any questions, send me a message. I'll get back to you. And as always, guys, I want to thank you for watching Right Turn Garage TV. We'll see you next time.